If your laser suddenly starts burning plywood, leaving smoky edges, or your engraving looks blurry, it might be time to clean the lens. Today I will show you how to quickly clean the lens on the Sculpfun S9 laser. First, unscrew the bolts and remove the laser module. Disconnect the cable. Since I use air assist, I need this small wrench to make it easier to remove the screws. I clean my lens quite often, so the screws come off easily. Once you open it, you will see a small gasket inside. Be careful not to lose it. Now take a look at the lens and you can see a small white spot on it. That's dirt from smoke and resin. Take a cotton swab and dip it in alcohol. Remove the excess liquid, so just slightly wet. Gently wipe the lens. Then use the dry side of the swab to white it again. And that's it. A clean lens means clean engraving and better cuts.